We found a dead bird.
Yeah, we came down to Lenny's stall to remember Lenny because he's gone and we love him. And we found a dead baby bird in the water bucket.
It was trying to get its worm.
Yeah, there's a worm. Oh, God. It's mommy!
Run!
But I want to get it out because it looks disgusting. The mommy's angry.
We didn't kill your baby bird, so shut up. She has it. Zoom in there.
Oh, gosh. Oh, that's...
Ah!
I almost had... Oh, God.
The stomach is disgusting.
It's like chopsticks. Alright, I have to
I
pick it
said
up.
that. Here. You want me to get you a third? No, you don't have 3 arms.
I have its leg!
I feel like you're gonna drop it.
I probably am. Try not to scream, you'll scare the horses. Oh, goodness. No.
I don't want to get your butt. We should make a burial. There we go.
Or we can let one of the cats eat it.
Okay, let's go. That solves that problem.
Let's go by Pandora.
Okay.
These are his hoof prints.
How do you know?
They're the only ones big enough.
Never mind. Okay. What do you keep doing?
That's a new one.
Hi, Troy.
He's cute. Oh. Alright, come on. We're getting a lot of new horses here.
No, that is Maverick the second, Sonja. Okay.
Alright, now let's see how much time getting a baby bird out for.
We'll come back, like, before you have to leave.
What time is it according to your phone?
I don't know, I'm filming.
We'll stop filming.
We'll be back later.